Do you know your numbers? Hey, in case you don't know me, my name is Jason Chaney, and that's what we're going to dig into today. So today is Free Coaching Friday, and because I believe you deserve to be heart healthy. One of the things that I did yesterday, I had hopped on a webinar with two leading doctors. One is Dr. Esselin. If you're not familiar with him, he wrote the China study, and he's actually been helping reverse heart disease for years now. And the other one is Dr. Brian. He's a cardiologist. He's been helping his patients not only lose weight, but get heart healthy through using a plant-based diet. And so I wanted to share with you some of the stuff that I learned there. And so I asked you, started out, do you know your number? And so the number I want you to focus on, and I'm going to explain it later on through the video, is 130. And just keep that number in your mind. And so one of the things that they talked about in yesterday on the webinar, which shocked me, and I didn't even notice, is that this year alone, there's an estimated 600,000 Americans that will die from heart-related issues. And heart disease and heart-related issues come from actual lifestyle choices. And that number scared me because, you know, with everything that's been going on with 2020 and the whole world is crazy, no one is talking about these numbers. There are 3 to 4 times more people that are going to die from heart-related issues, which is directly due to lifestyle choices, than from what's going on right now. And there's nothing being done about it. And this is, you know, through the government, no one is doing anything about it. And these two doctors, they've dedicated their life to trying to reverse and stop this lifestyle illness. And one of the things that they saw is that through a plant-based diet, it not only helps you be heart healthier, but it can reverse some heart issues. And that's what they've been seeing.